Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to make your cover page in ASA. And I'm also going to show you how to add a running head and how to add some page numbers. So for the first part, I'm going to just go over quickly what you should have on your cover page. So as you can see, we have our title right here, bolded in the middle, then your name, your university, and then the year. And your professor actually might prefer if you go ahead and put the full date right here. ASA style does not require that you put the full date, but your professor might prefer it. So just keep that in mind. So then you're going to have your word count, enter down a few spaces, just make sure you keep a few spaces between all of these, and then your acknowledgments at the very bottom. You can put any grant funding you've received for the project, just go ahead and list it there. And then you're all good for your cover page. So then what you're going to do is go ahead and insert your page number. So just go insert and then scroll down to page numbers. And then you're going to have it at the top of the page, header, at the right, and make sure show number on first page is clicked, and then just click OK. And then you're going to go ahead and start on your running head. So what you're going to do is just double click at the top of the page and your header area will go ahead and show up. So then what you're going to do is click different first page, and this sometimes makes your numbers freak out, so don't worry about it. Just click page number again and then show number on first page again. Just sometimes needs to remind itself what to do there, and then just click different first page again and you'll be good to go. So what you're going to do is just start typing running head and then an equal sign. And then what you're going to do is just sort of shorten your title to something that makes sense for your running head. So for example, we have the new dating, changes in undergraduate romantic pair formation for our title. Sort of long. So maybe for our running head, we'll just go with the new dating. And you're just going to keep it all caps. And then just like that. So then what you're going to do is scroll down to the next page and then just type the new dating. And then for the rest of the pages, it'll keep it like that. So if just for the first page, you have running head equals, and then the rest, just your running head. So what we might notice here is that the rest of our paper is in Times New Roman, and this has sort of defaulted to your Microsoft Word, whatever it defaults to. So we want to make sure that we're consistent and that we're keeping our fonts consistent throughout our paper. So just want to make sure that we change our header to Times New Roman, and even the little one right here, just be consistent. And then since we do have a different first page, you want to do that with the second page as well. Even with the little 2, make it Times New Roman. Just got to be consistent. And then for the rest of it, it'll go ahead and fix it like that. So then that's all you do there. Go ahead and click close, and you have your running head. So that's all I have for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.